Good morning world, how are you guys doing? Hello! We came today to this forest where we are supposed to walk around 2 hours or 2.5 hours, and they told us that if we go in silence, so Andrea already told me twice to shut my mouth. If we go in silence we can see animals. So far we've seen two little animals. One thing that seemed like a big rat, I don't know, because it was far away and we couldn't really see it. And we also saw a squirrel. I tried to record them, but they were really far away, so they didn't appear in the camera. So I'm gonna be quiet and we will try to enjoy the views of this forest. By the way, we paid $15 per person to come in. Yeah, here in Costa Rica you have to pay for all the natural parks. This is the end of this property. It's so weird to find these like gates and signs in the middle of the forest. But yeah, this is how it works in Costa Rica. They buy these huge sales and then they do these natural resources, and that's why probably they charge you to enter. I've lost Andrea. I don't know where she is. I'm going slowly to try to see any animal. There's something right there. But Andrea just goes. She's just wanna walk. Let me try to see if I can see what's there. I don't know. I know there's something because there's some noise, but I cannot see what is it. Anyway, let's continue, or Andrea will get mad at me. To see this waterfall, we had to go down 275 steps because Andrea counted them. And now, you guessed, it's time to go up. I'm almost done. The waterfall was really nice, but going up is not the best part. Whew. By the way, it's raining a little bit and it starts again, but from time to time it rains. Okay, I'm here. I don't know why you always have to go down and then up to see a waterfall. Stairs down, stairs up. Whew. By the way, if you ever have the chance to go to Barcelona and you have a spare day and you have a car, which you can rent in Barcelona almost everywhere, go to a place which is not touristic at all, so you won't find any tourists there, and it's very, very beautiful. There's a big waterfall, very beautiful waterfall, and you can do some trekking there, so I would say it's like a half day or full day excursion. It's a place called Sant Miquel del Fai, Sant Miquel del Fai, and it's located in a village like in 45 minutes from Barcelona driving. So if you go to Barcelona, you have a spare day, you have a car, go there, you won't regret it. I've been a lot of times with Andrea there, and it's very, very, very beautiful, and it's not a place that a lot of people know. And also, if you go there and you want to have a full day adventure, just like very close to this place, like 10 minutes driving from this place, there is Cim de les Àligues. I will leave the links in the description so you guys can check. This Cim de les Àligues is a place where there are eagles, yeah, eagles, owls, and a lot of different kind of birds, and they have them like in captivity, but there is like a show where they make them fly all across the mountain. So they have them in their hand and they leave them fly all across the mountain, like of the valley. It's incredible. And then the eagles, they come back with the owner, well, the owner with where they are basically. So make sure to check it out. Sant Miquel del Fai and Cim de les Àligues. And now we've just made it to the car. We've just arrived to Curi Cancha Natural Reserve, and we have a tour with a guide here which should start in like 10 minutes. Yeah, we made a quick stop to eat something, and we eat the same as every day, so casado with chicken. And you can check the previous vlogs. Well, for example, yesterday's vlog, I think we did the same, so you can go ahead and check yesterday's vlog to see what we ate today. Anyway, now we are ready, we are just waiting here, and yeah, we have to wait 10 minutes and then we will go to hopefully see some wildlife. Hey, we just made it to the hotel. Yeah, we are finally back from the Natural Resource Park. and we saw a lot of different animals, well, mostly birds. We saw a lot of birds, plants and animals, and the guide, which name was David, he showed us a lot of different stuff from the area. So really nice, really nice. If you ever gonna come here back again, you can rent him for $20 per person, and the entrance for the park was $15 per person, for your information. Anyway, now we just returned back to the hotel. We are back here, and I wanted to show you guys something, because maybe you don't know some of the stuff that we eat, like from lunch to dinner and so on, that we've been eating recently. And I gathered some of that stuff, like sweets and so on, here in this table, and I'm gonna show it to you. This is what we have over here. Let me put the camera over there so I can properly show it to you. Alright, so here we have a yogurt, which you already know, and we used to buy this in Spain quite a lot, so I'm not gonna talk about this. Here we have tamales. Let me see if I can have more light. No, I cannot have more light. Yeah, here we have tamales, and I'm gonna open this one. I think this one was of pork, Andrea. Yeah, this one is a tamal of pork. So it's basically like a paste of rice. You can see it over here. Inside, well, it's like a paste, and it has some vegetables and it has pork. And yeah, Andrea bought it and she didn't really like it, so I don't think we're gonna buy it more. Okay, this we tried just today, the tamal of pork. Here we have something else, which is, and we have in Spain but we don't eat so much, is dulce de leche. Dulce de leche is really sweet, and you eat that with a spoon or just put it in a toast and have it for a small snack. Yeah, we bought it for 1,000 colones here in Costa Rica, which is like $2 more or less. Andrea just there doing ruining my video. All right, let's go back. The tamal was what, 2 tamales, no, 1,000 colones. 1,500 colones, which is like 1,500 colones is like $2.50, something like that. And last but not least, I wanted to show you fruits. Yeah, we have 2 kinds of fruits that we've tried to buy, which are not typical, or we cannot consume it so easily in Spain. One you guys probably already know, it's mango. Yeah, they have these mangoes here. And the second one, which I've never tried before and I tried it here, is guayaba. And this fruit, you eat it like this, you just clean it and you eat it, the whole fruit, and it's very nice, very nice. I tried it yesterday and I really loved it, so I bought more of those guayabas. So yeah, this is a bit of some snacks that we eat from time to time. And we have another one, which is slices of banana, that I will try to remember to show it tomorrow if we buy it tomorrow, because today we bought it but we already ate them when we went in, before going to the last natural reserve. I guess that's gonna be it for today, for this vlog, because we are gonna stay here in the hotel. We're gonna eat some fruit, this fruit that we bought here, and we're gonna just go to sleep early because tomorrow we have more adventures. Yes, in Costa Rica, freaking adventures, nice adventures. We're going to Manuel Antonio we're going. So guys, see you tomorrow. Hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, leave any comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, so that's it for today, I guess. See you tomorrow. Bye.